In today's video, we're talking about how to actually make money as a freelance virtual assistant. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever thought, I just want to work online, set my own hours, and have more freedom in my life, then this is for you. I know how starting something new can feel very, very overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to begin or what's even worth learning. But this video is going to walk you through it all. We're going to go over what a virtual assistant actually does, how to land your first few paying clients, and what you need to keep everything running once you're in business. I'm also going to mention some of my favorite tools that will make your life so much easier along the way. Let's get into it. So first off, what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant, or VA, helps business owners by handling behind the scenes tasks online. That could mean organizing someone's calendar, replying to emails, uploading content, updating spreadsheets, or managing small projects. You're not an employee, you're more like a business partner who supports them with the things they don't have time to do themselves. Some VAs specialize in helping coaches, others work with e-commerce brands or YouTubers. You get to shape your services based on your strengths and what you actually enjoy doing. And that's one of the best parts, is you get to make it completely your own. Let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1 is to land your first client. The most common question is, how do I find my first client if I don't have any experience yet? You really don't need a fancy resume or 10 testimonials. You just need a clear offer and a place to be seen. Platforms like Fiverr are really great for this. You can list a service like, I'll organize your inbox, or I'll update your client database, and then people who already need help can find you. You don't have to pitch or cold DM, they'll come directly to you. But honestly, what matters most is clarity. Be specific about what you do. Use a simple title, upload a clean photo or intro video, and focus on solving one small problem really, really well. When someone hires you and leaves a good review, that proof is just going to build trust for the next client. So you can just think about, okay, if I was a business owner and had to think on the bigger things, what are some things that I could help them with? Whatever it is that you're really good at and have even a little bit of experience in, or really want to learn more about, go on YouTube and then again, get very specific with the problem that you solve. If you want to check out Fiverr, that link is down below. So on Fiverr, what you would do, again, that link is down below, you would want to become a seller, right? Because you're not looking to hire people. You're the one that you want people to go and search for your own specific niche. So podcast assistant, right? You want people to come on there and be like, okay, I need help with my podcast. And then you would immediately pop up. Step number 2 is to keep everything organized. Once you land that first client or two, you're going to need a way to stay on top of things. Juggling tasks from memory gets really messy really, really fast. Using a project management tool will help you stay focused and calm, especially when there are deadlines, feedback, or revisions involved. It's also just going to make you look so much more professional when you are maybe talking even with a potential client and saying, hey, this is how I organize everything and how I make sure that I get everything done on time, right? A tool that I really love using and one that I use almost every single day is called ClickUp. There's so many task managers out there, honestly, but ClickUp is an option that I really like, and again, something that I use every day. It lets you create checklists, organize work by client, and you can see everything in one spot. You can even set reminders, assign due dates, or build a simple system that helps your client feel supported without needing constant checkups. So they can even go in, if you give your client access, they could need something and be like, okay, did you start this one project? They can go and be like, oh, look, it's in process. So it's really great for keeping yourself organized, but also allowing your clients to be at ease knowing that they know where things are in the pipeline. Step number 3 is to make scheduling painless, right? So scheduling is one of the easiest ways to add value to your clients, especially if you're managing meetings, podcast interviews, or discovery calls. Instead of sending 5 emails to coordinate a time, you can offer to handle their booking or even just set up a simple systems for them. Again, there are a ton of different booking sites, but Bookafy actually lets people schedule directly based on availability, and you can even send reminders. It keeps things clean, avoids double bookings, and helps you look super put together. I've noticed in the past that when I was booking sales calls for clients, the automatic emails are a thing that's such a game changer, because it's just such a waste of time when you book a call and then there's no reminder emails at all, and then I would go to show up on a sales call, and if someone didn't show up, it's just a complete waste of time. Having these automatic reminders is something that is invaluable. You also can use this in your own VA business, right? So if someone wants to book a call with you, they can do it without back and forth. Step number 4 is to offer email support. So a lot of small business owners struggle with email, especially when it comes to follow-ups, automations, or onboarding sequences. This is where you can really stand out. What you can do is learn basic email marketing, which lets you offer more than just admin support. You can help your client actually grow their business. Let's just say they offer a free download on their website. You can help them set up a 3 email welcome series that sends automatically when someone signs up. Or maybe you set up a reminder email that goes out before appointments. These small systems save your client so much time, and knowing that you know how to set all of this up and do the back end work is so insanely powerful. They're really going to want to keep you around and continue to have you support them. Again, there's so many different tools out there, but just because I want to help give you tools that really are helpful, Active Campaign is a tool that we really recommend. It's really powerful, but also still very beginner friendly once you get the hang of it. If you want to check out a free trial, I've left that link down in the description for you. Step number 5 is to add visuals when needed. You don't need to be a designer, but having a way to make things look clean is a big plus. Sometimes a client will ask you for a branded checklist, a content calendar, or a basic graphic for social media, and Canva makes this so easy. I use it every single day. I love it so much. You can drag and drop and use templates and keep everything on brand. You can create visuals for your own business, like your service sheets, proposals, and guides for clients. It just helps keep everything clean and put together, and knowing that you know how to use Canva is such a huge plus for someone wanting to actually purchase your services. Another cool item too, if you are posting on social media to get clients, is they have these brand kits, so you can create your colors, your fonts, your logo, etc., and everything in here. They do have a free plan of Canva, but a few things that I am obsessed with that are not on the free plan, brand kits is one of them. Especially, let's just say you are helping someone with a podcast. You can come in here and be like, okay, I can create your thumbnails for you, right? So knowing how to use Canva can be powerful not only for your own business, but also people that you're going to be helping. If you do want to check out Canva and get signed up with the free plan, I've got that link down below for you. Step number 6 is optional. Learn bookkeeping to charge even more. Again, this step is optional, but really worth considering once you've gotten comfortable. Bookkeeping is one of those skills that can take you from a $25 an hour VA to a $50 plus hour and beyond. That's because it's tied to something every business needs, which is financial organization. If you actually enjoy spreadsheets and systems and numbers, and you already help clients track invoices or receipts, you might honestly enjoy learning bookkeeping. You don't have to be an accountant to do this. You just need to be consistent, organized, and willing to learn. Bookkeepers.com actually has a really beginner-friendly training that walks you through what to offer, how to price it, and how to do it right. This could be more of a long-term growth skill, not something you need to do right away, but if you do want to learn, that link is down below. Lastly, I just wanted to go over some bonus tips for new virtual assistants. Here are a few helpful tips if you're just getting started and feeling a little unsure. Start simple and build as you go. You don't need a fancy setup or a bunch of services to start. Just pick one thing you're good at, like organizing schedules or handling inboxes, and offer that. Once you build confidence, you can expand from there. Your time and energy are valuable. Even if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to charge for your work. A lot of clients care more about consistency and communication than fancy experience. If you're dependable and detail-oriented, that already sets you apart. Save the good feedback. If a client says something kind or gives you a glowing review, screenshot it. Keep a folder of positive messages or finished projects you're proud of. It's really just great for your portfolio and for those days you need a little extra confidence boost. Boundaries are part of your job. Just because you work online, it doesn't mean you're available 24/7. Set clear hours, turnaround times, and ways for clients to reach you. Having structure helps both you and your clients feel more at ease. Focus on progress, not perfection. It's really easy to get caught up comparing yourself to people who've been freelancing for years, but everyone starts somewhere. What matters most is staying consistent and open to learning along the way. Let your services evolve. You don't have to stick with one offer forever. As you gain experience, you might realize you love certain types of tasks more than others. That's completely normal. Keep refining your services based on what lights you up and what your clients actually need. The best part about working online and for yourself is the flexibility and freedom. You can work from home, a coffee shop, or even another country if you want. You pick your hours, you choose your clients, you decide how big or small you want your business to be. But it does take some structure. You do have to show up for yourself and be committed. You're the one setting deadlines, sending follow-ups, and staying organized. No one else is going to do that for you. But still, once you find your rhythm, it can be such a rewarding path. I know how hard it can be to figure out where to start, especially when you're trying to learn everything at once. But you don't have to do it all today. Just pick one offer, find one client, and use one tool that makes your life a million times easier. Then just keep building from there. If you want to explore any of the tools that I mentioned, I've got them all linked down below. Most of them have free trials or discounts. If you do choose to use our links, I just want you to know that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.